In today's Reading Crash course lesson, we're going to review the sounds of short A and short I. Short A has the sound of ah, like in at, an, am, axe, add. Two D's doesn't change the sound. It's still add. K, at, cat, bat, bat, mat, mat, at, hat, at, pat, that, that, rat, rat, sat, fat, an, ban, can, dan. This is a name. That's why it has a capital letter. Fan, jan. This is another name. Man, pan, ran, tan. Tan is a light brown. Van. Add, add, bad, add, dad, fad, add, had, mad, add, pad, add, sad, ag, bag, ag, gag, ag, lag, nag, rag, sag, ag, wag. Am, ham, am, jam, am, yam, app, cap, app, gap, lap, map, nap, rap, app, tap, at, mat. This is another name. That's why it has a capital letter. Add, pad, sad, axe, tax, ack, pack. When we have C and K together, it still says k, app, gap, al, pal, sack, sack, rack, at, pat, ram, rap, al, gal, axe, fax, ag, bag. The short I sound is I, it, if, in, ib, rib, id, bid, id, did, hid, id, kid, lid, rid, ig, big, ig, dig, ig, fig. A fig is a type of fruit. Ig, gig, ig, jig. Ig, pig, ig, wig, zig, im, dim, rim, him, in, bin, fin, in, kin. Kin means a relative. In, pin, sin, in, tin, in, win, ip, dip, hip, ip, kip, lip, nip, ip, pip, zip, rip, ip, tip, sip, it, bit, fit, hit, it, kit, it, lit, mit, knit, it, pit, sit, it, wit, ix, fix, ix, mix, ix, six, id, bid, ig, tig, sick, ick, pick, lick, rick. This is a name. That's why it has a capital letter. Ick, kick, ick, tick, ick, wick. A wick is the part of the candle that burns at the top. Ill. Ill means sick. Bill. This has a capital letter because it's a name. Sill. Ill. Dill. Fill. Ill. Jill. Ill. Kill. Will. Mill. Ill. Pill. Hill. Ill. Till. Let's review with some short A and some short I words. We will read going across the rows instead of down the columns. Ack, back. Ick, wick. Sack, sick. Rack, rick. Lack, lick. Pack, ick, pick. Wag, wig. Sad, sip. Ram, rim. Lad, lid. Add, pad. Ill, pill. Add, bad. Id, bid. Add, dad. Id, did. Add, fad. Fit, hat. Hit, jack, jack. Ill, Jill. These have capital letters because they are names. Mad, mit. Nag, ill, kill. An, pan. In, pin. Ran, rid. Sat, sit. Sat, sit. Ag, tag. Tim. Van, will. Zag, zig. Yam, yin. Man, in, kin. Here are some of my other videos. I have the Syllable Division Boot Camp, where it has 8 rules to get better at reading very long words. My basic English reading videos are good for people learning English. My reading boot camps are a series of 10-day programs for boosting reading. I also have boot camps for improving your vocabulary, spelling, and mental math.